How to turn on or turn off Bixby in customized apps on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, we then scroll down and tap on general management. From here, scroll down, then we tap on customize service. And in customization service, tap on Bixby, tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on Bixby customization. Now once it is turned on, you can check the data used, activities is being used by Bixby customization, or frequently visited place in other settings. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.